Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows PC. So if you're using a keyboard, this is very easy. Now look for a button called Print Scan somewhere on your keyboard, PRT SCR, or it could be an N on here. It is an N, Print Scan, or Print Screen, or something like that. So just go to this button and press it on your keyboard, and then highlight something on the screen. And you can see it copied it to my clipboard right here. And we can paste this somewhere now. And it's going to save it on your computer. So we can minimize this. So let's hit Control V. And we can paste it. So you can see I took a picture of my keyboard. Now to find this on your folder, go down to the File Explorer and open this up. And this will be under your name and pictures. So we can go to this PC. And then go to Users. And then go to your username. And you should be able to find a pictures folder under here, and it should be in the pictures folder under screenshots. So if it's not under here, I ended up moving mine at one point in time. So I got my public pictures right here under public. I got nothing in there. So I moved this folder to a different location, but it should be under your name, your username, and then screenshots. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.